Today, I would like to talk about probability theory and how it plays an important role in field of informational technology. I choose this concept because it's one of mathematical foundation behind many technologies we use every day, such as cyber security, artificial intelligence, data analysis, and even computer networks. Understanding probability helps explain why computer makes certain decision and how systems predict outcomes. What is probability theory? Probability theory is the branch of mathematics that deals with uncertainty instead of giving definite answer. Probability helps us measure how likely sometimes is to happen. Probability is about making educated prediction when we don't know for sure what the outcome will be. For example, first, there is a 70% chance of rain. Second, this email of 95% likely to spam. Third, this machine learning model is 88% confident in its prediction. Probability gives us a structured way analyze and random events and make smarter decisions based on available information. And second one is how probability theory is applied in informational technology. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. All systems learn from data and make prediction. Probability is used to classify image. Probability an image contains. And second one is recommended videos, songs, or products. Third one is predict user behavior, identify patterns in big data. Machine learning models often output probability scores, not exact answer. The second is cyber security. Probability help cybersecurity system detect threats. For example, intrusion detection system compute how likely an action is suspicious. Second one is email filter calculate the probability that a message is spam. The last is risk assessment tools estimate the chance of system failure or data branches. The third is networking and communication. Data transmitted across networks may get lost, delayed, or corrupted. Probability is used to first is model packet, second, design error correcting codes, third, optimize routing decision, fourth, predict network congestion. This calculation improve reliability and efficiency of communication system. The fourth is software testing and reliability. Probability help estimate the first how likely a program is to crash. Second is the chance of bugs occurring under certain inputs. Third is system reliability over time. This allows developers to prioritize tests and strengthen software and quality. The last is what I learned about the importance of mathematics. Studying probability theory helped. We realized that mathematics is not just about numbers and formula. It is a tool that allows us to understand the real world in a precise way. Here are a few key lessons. Now, first one is math makes technology projectable and reliable. Without probability, computers could make informed decisions under uncertainty. Second one is math allows us analyze risk. This essentials in cyber security, engineering, and system design. And the last is what empowers innovation. Machine learning, data science, and modern IT system all depend heavily on mathematical concept. Overall, mathematics, especially probability, from the invisible structure behind the digital tools we are really on every day. Thank you.